Good morning, everyone. Today's the day of the eclipse, but when we look outside, it's all cloudy. It's about 10 o'clock right now, and I don't think the clouds are going to let up. I looked at the forecast and it said that there's going to be a chance of even thunderstorms. The eclipse is supposed to happen at 1:30, but we're going to still try to make the best of it. We planned an eclipse party at one of our friends' house that has some land out in the country. So we will be going out and I'll try to film whatever I can. Maybe I'll get a wide shot of the field, and we'll see the whole place get dark and bright again. But I don't think I'm going to be able to get any shots of the Hestia, but I will certainly bring it and try. Alrighty, so it's like 1 o'clock, 1:10-ish, and the eclipse has started. The sun is about a third or two-thirds blocked. Between the cloud coverage, you can sort of see it. Hey guys, so we are in the totality zone. That's everyone looking there. It looks like it's completely dark. It looks like it's nighttime. The street lights are turning on. It looks like it's completely dark. Like, I don't know if you can see me, but like, it's getting dark. It's pretty cool. Alright guys, so the eclipse just finished. That was pretty cool. I cannot describe, well, I can't even show you guys what I saw because some of these things weren't even able to be capable of being caught on camera. Like right after the eclipse, after the totality, there was like this beam of light that shone down. I think they call it, what they call the diamond? Something, I think it's called the diamond. And it was like someone was shining a spotlight like straight down on us. It was pretty cool. We had clouds, so we weren't able to get the best shots, and you know, I couldn't set up the Hestia, but it was still cool to be out here to experience this. Well, we just got back. It's been a pretty crazy day. We were able to see the eclipse, and then our friend was so kind to let us ride on his four-wheelers. I don't know if the footage came out well. I'll see if I can edit it and put it together, but that was a ton of fun. Yeah, and thank God it didn't rain on us, because like if you look outside right now, it is pouring. I don't know if you can see it with the raindrops. But right now I'm gonna go help my son Titus plant a sunflower that he found by his school. He brought a seed home, and then we'll just call it a day. Hope you enjoyed hanging out with me today. Bye.
Hi everyone, I got a seed.
Yeah, you want to show everyone? See, this is Titus's plant that he grew. Can you see it in the camera? Just be gentle.
Yeah, I can just see a bag.
Can you see in the camera?
I
can see it in the camera. That's the plant.
Yeah.
Came out of that sunflower seed right there.
Yeah.
Okay, let's go start putting some soil into here.